Utah is known as a heavenly destination for adrenaline junkies, but for me, will serve as a taste of hell on earth. The misfortune which awaits me here will be enough to make a grown man cry.
I take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Been waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
As I cross state lines into Utah, I have my hopes high that my luck will start to turn. After having run into so many mechanical issues in such a short span of time, I'm beginning to lose confidence in my bike's ability to make it through each day, let alone the rest of the ride back to Canada. These troubles could not have come at a worse time, as I am now counting down the days till my dad starts his journey south to meet up and ride side by side while we explore one of the world's greatest off-roading playgrounds. Not only was I excited to take on Utah for the riding opportunities, but her bountiful glory of beauty offers for some of the most rewarding hiking on the planet. This place is out of this world. From the vibrantly painted peaks of Zion, the bewildering masterpieces of time in Arches National Park, to the countless slot canyons and otherworldly formations that dot the countryside. Utah is a spectacle of some of Mother Nature's wildest creations.
Holy shit, I don't know about this now. It's getting pretty tight. I had to climb down from in there. I think I'll be able to get back up if I need to. Oh boy.
Just know, when trekking out here on your own, if something goes wrong, no one will hear your cries for help. I set out on this adventure knowing the dangers of riding a motorbike alone across a continent. Little did I expect to find myself in one of the most life-threatening scenarios while off the bike, hiking nearby my campsite.
Hello? Hello?
Utah's glory surrounds you from the comforts of the highways. Though they themselves have been a joy to ride, they don't quite reach the part of this country that I'm itching to explore, nor do they offer the trials and tribulations of the backcountry that I came here to test myself against. As I set off into the wild, I am continually looking to find tracks that will perfectly balance on my ability to ride and my bike's ability to handle the terrain. While attempting to summit one of Utah's tallest mountains using an unmaintained ATV track, this balance collapsed. Not only on this rider's abilities, but probably more importantly, this rider's lack of ability to accept defeat. My stubbornness and continual will to carry on has got me into a lot of crazy situations this trip. This time around, I find myself having to saw through a downed tree after getting it so severely stuck.
fuck, these roads aren't going to be passable in rain. Even in dry, they're obviously not. You're free! You're free! Now let's go get stuck in some mud. I made it about 300 meters since that trunk. Attempted this hill, hit that, back end went out. Picked her up from this angle. Now I'm out of breath. And I mean, this shit's tough in the dry. And now I got rain. So now I gotta maneuver this bitch off of this hill, which is not easy and not safe. Fuck.
After finally coming to terms with the fact that I'm not going to be able to get my beast of a bike up this mountain, I sorely start my descent back the way I came. It's on my descent down the rain-softened dirt track when I take a corner with a pinch too much steam and find myself slammed into the dirt with my leg pinned under Rosa's weight.
Your biggest crash, and the bike is on my leg. Ah, that one. Ah, you alright, Rosie? Let's check myself out first. Oh, check out my skid mark. Came around the corner. Fuck. Ah, shit, I'm a little hurt here. Damn it. Oh, I'm getting my ass kicked today. Yeah, I'm alright. We'll check. We'll examine the damage. Bike's alright, I'm quite sure. No damage. I mean, none more than there already was. Help! 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 Post-crash, adrenaline's wearing off and now pain's setting in. Hip's a little messed up, same with my right foot. I don't know how it happened wearing the helmet, but I got some bruising on my face. So hopefully I won't be too sore in the morning or feel when a storm's coming when I'm 60 or anything like that, but I'm going to get up the gravel just because I have to take it so easy that it's not that exciting. Take on the 12, which is a scenic byway, which should be pretty cool. Head up north. Hope that it hasn't been raining there because there's a whole bunch of more dirt roads I want to do there. That's the plan now. Bummer news. I've been working my ass off. Covered 26 kilometers in like 2 hours. And my path just came to an end. That's super frustrating. Now I have to turn back and do all that shit again. I dumped my bike 3 or 4 times in the last 4 kilometers. So much for not having to lift the bike up too much today. This is number 2. Last one was right there. Yeah. Here we are again. That one fucking tossed me good. You know it's rough when I miss pavement.
The upcoming scene is one that is not easy for me to watch. After spending the better part of one of the best years of my life with this bike, the bond that I've created with this machine surpasses that which I could have ever imagined. Furthermore, the value it holds after I was forced to have to pay upwards of $4,500 in fines for its return in Costa Rica means the potential loss of this bike is substantial. Prepare to watch this bond be put in dire jeopardy.
On me, I have no clue what happened. I got these earplugs in, so I have no clue if it was mechanical or what. God damn it. Oh no, this ain't good at all, peeps. Fuck, so it turns out this is about as bad as you can get. My fucking... Look at that. So... Oh, this is a complete disaster. Oh no. The, what do you call that, the bolt that holds the oil in, it's gone. Oil came out. The engine probably seized on me. Oh, oh no. I gotta tell my daddy he's about to leave. This bike could be fucked. How? I'm stuck! Hello? Hello? Help! It's the last of the water. Help! Help! So I'm walking back down the highway to see if I can, I don't even fucking know why. I was riding this morning, doing some off-roading and bottomed to hit the skid plate, and I think the skid plate's just taking too much of a beating. It's bent in to the point where a rock hit the drain plug. I'm not going to be able to drive this, I'm going to need a tow. This is really rough. I'm really close. So close that I'm getting really excited. Now it could be over and I could be out of bike. I can. And Dad is leaving tomorrow to come meet me. So that might be ruined for him too. A lot of questions, a lot of things up in the air. One thing I do know is I need to get this bike to a moto shop. Oh, Rosa.
As we drove the bike back to a nearby shop, I reminisced of all of the priceless memories we've created together. We have stuck together through thick and thin. We have felt hardship and pure joy. Through health and sickness, Rosa Maya has made me feel ways I've never felt before, and I know I would do anything for her. Things have not always gone smoothly, but we've always been able to find a common ground and push through. To now have to come to terms with the idea that she may never again sweep me off my feet, or that our plans of living the rest of our lives together may fade to dust is a thought I cannot and will not accept. I will not give up on you. The tow truck driver found a bolt to replace the drain plug and managed to find just enough oil around the shop to allow me one last chance of kickstarting Rosa back to life. I'm not one who has ever believed in miracles or the divine, yet before my attempt to starting Rosa, I felt something. As if from the gates of heaven she could hear my cries, she knew she could not leave me on this earth alone, and the hand of God, who has never witnessed such a love, humbly answered my prayers.
Just one cut at a time. God! God damn it. I'm not stuck at all. I'm not stuck! It's all good! It's all good. Close one, huh? Just carry it my way here, I guess. Squeeze.
Well, I believe in a thing called life. The joy of being back on the road after such a close call will add to the splendor of my dad's arrival in Utah. Reunited will take on some gnarly Rocky Mountain passes before I continue north, where I will enjoy the most rewarding moment of my life.
Hello, Ethan here.